FlagShip's unique online shipping system makes it easy for you to compare rates and ship your packages. Let's take a look. After you log into your FlagShip account, you will see an overview of your shipments. This is your FlagShip dashboard. This shows you everything from today's pickups and deliveries to your shipments that are in transit, and it also shows you your current invoices. You can also view your distribution summary, which helps you track and manage your package distributions across carriers. It's an easy way to manage your everyday shipping. To create a shipment, simply click on New Shipment. The Shipper section is defaulted with your company information. In the Receiver section, enter where your shipment is going. Start by entering the company's name, the person you're sending the shipment to, and the address. When you enter the postal code, it will automatically enter the city and province for you. For tracking notifications, add an email address here. This feature is optional. To save an address for future shipments, click here to save it to your address book. In the Packages section, enter the type of packaging, number of pieces, measurements, and weight. You can switch between imperial and metric, too. To save a package for future shipments, click here to save it to your package book. To schedule your pickup, go to the Options section. Select your pickup date for up to 10 days in advance, along with the time and location that works best for you. Keep in mind you need a 2-hour window for pickup. If you prefer to drop off your package at a depot, make sure the box, "I want to schedule an automatic pickup," is not checked off in the pickup information section. You can also request special services, like signature requirements and Saturday delivery. It's easy. Ensuring your shipment gives you total peace of mind, and you can add it here. FlagShip has its own in-house insurance program at the most discounted and competitive rate in the industry. Click Next to see, compare, and choose the best rate and service, all on one screen. And here it is. You will see the range of options you can choose from. We always highlight the lowest rate, but the choice is up to you. Totals include taxes, so the price you see is the price you get. To see more details about an option, simply hover or click on the price, and it will open to reveal all of the specifics about how the price was calculated. To make your selection, highlight the option you want and click the Next button. To make an edit to your shipment, click the Previous button. Once everything is correct, click Confirm Shipment to continue. Now your shipment has been confirmed. If you scheduled a pickup, the courier is automatically notified that your shipment is ready. The only thing left to do is get your label, choose between regular and thermal, print, and place it on your package. What do you think? It's pretty easy, isn't it? To open a free account, visit us online or give us a call. We'll get you set up and ready to ship. Shipping, it is our pleasure.